Stop paying for AI. These 5 completely free platforms will build your next video for you. Welcome back. Most creators think you need a massive budget and expensive paid AI subscriptions to compete with the algorithm. They think you need the paid tiers of ChatGPT, expensive image generation tokens, and high end video editing software just to compete with the algorithm. They are wrong. The landscape has shifted. Today, we are building a complete video production line using entirely free AI ecosystem. We'll go from a rough concept to a professional script, clone a cinematic voiceover, render custom visuals, animate them into motion, and assemble the final project in a text based editor. Total cost? Exactly $0. Let's build it. Anthropic offers public access to their most powerful model, Claude 3.5 Solid, completely free on their web interface. While there is a daily message cap, the intelligence you get per prompt is unmatched for creative writing. If you give a basic AI a basic prompt like write a sci fi script, it will give you a generic cheesy dialogue filled with cliches. We need to force it to think like a professional screenwriter. The absolute best way to break the AI out of these cliches is to feed it raw source material. Instead of letting it guess, I am pasting a specific piece of lore from my own novel manuscript directly into the chat to anchor the tone. Open up Claude. Provide your lore and paste this exact prompt. Act as an award winning Hollywood screenwriter. Analyze the lore and imagery of the text provided and write a high tension 4-line cinematic trailer voiceover about this world waking up. Keep the pacing slow, the tone philosophical, and focus on sensory details. Provide visual instructions for each line in brackets. ElevenLabs gives every free account 10,000 characters per month. For a short form video or a tight trailer, that is more than enough to get studio grade narration without spending a dime. Take the script lines we just got from Claude, head over to ElevenLabs and log into your free dashboard. Paste only the spoken voiceover lines into the text box. Leave out Claude's visual descriptions. Drop down the voice selection menu for a cinematic vibe. Look for pre-made profiles like Adam or Viraj. These profiles are optimized for deep inflections and dramatic pacing. Click generate. Under the voice settings slider, bump the clarity plus similarity up to about 75%, but keep the stability around 40%. Lower stability sounds counterintuitive, but it actually allows the AI to add more human-like emotion, pauses, and dramatic shifts to its delivery. Download the resulting .mp3 file. To keep this project 100% free without relying on the paid walls of Midjourney, we use Google AI Studio. It gives creators access to top tier image and asset generation with incredibly generous daily free tier. We need our visuals to match the heavy mood for our narrative. Look at the visual description generated from the novel's climax. A colossal white alien spire erupting a single beam of pure golden energy straight up into the blue sky. To get an elite render, we strip away abstract words and replace them with precise camera direct, cinematic wide master shot, a colossal sleek white alien spire erupting a single beam of pure blinding golden energy straight up into the sky. The beam splits open dark, bruised heavy storm clouds, volumetric lighting, immense scale, dramatic chiaroscuro contrast, epic sci-fi film aesthetic, photorealistic shot on 35mm anamorphic lens, 8K resolution, atmospheric dust. Hit generate, select the highest resolution option and download your favorite variation. Here is where most tutorials lie to you. They will tell you to jump into platforms like Runaway Gen 3, Kling AI or Cdance to animate your images. But if you try to use them for a full project, you run into a massive wall. Runaway only gives you a one-time pool of 125 credits that never refresh. Cling and Seedance heavily restrict their free daily allowances, meaning their free tiers simply don't give you enough credits to iterate or generate a longer multi-shot video sequence. To bypass the paywalls, we are using Pika Labs. Pika grants free daily credits that automatically refresh every 24 hours, giving you a functional, sustainable workflow to generate multiple clips without pulling out a credit card. Converting a static white spire asset into a moving, breathing 4-second cinematic B-roll clip. Upload your high-res white spire image into Pika's image-to-video dashboard. Pika responds best to short, punchy action words combined with its native camera parameters. In the text box, type the central golden beam of light violently erupts and surges rapidly upward, letting open the heavy dark storm clouds, swirling atmospheric dust, camera zoom out, camera pan up, motion 3. The camera tags force Pika's algorithm to execute a flawless cinematic camera movement, while motion 3 jacks up the energy physics to the golden beam crackles with power. Hit generate and less than a minute, your static image transforms into a living, breathing cinematic scene. Descript offers a robust free tier that allows you to experience the future of video editing. Instead of dealing with complex, confusing timelines full of cut splices, it transcribes your media and lets you edit your video like a Word document. Import your ElevenLabs.mp3 voiceover file into a new Descript project. The AI will instantly transcribe the words on the screen. To add your animated video asset, simply highlight the specific sentence in the text transcript where you want that visual to appear. Right click and select Add Visual. Drop your Pika clip in. Descript will automatically lock the video clip to the exact duration of those spoken words. The final polish, Descript's free AI audio enhancer will automatically strip out any digital artifacts, level the frequencies, and make the voiceover sound like it was captured in a professional voice acting booth, which by the way I didn't use. Now that all 5 blocks are locked together, let's look at what an optimized $0 pipeline can produce in just 10 minutes.
The white spire erupts a single column of pure golden light, splitting the bruised sky, connecting planet to orbit in one blinding, silent breath. A single matte black glyph burns itself into the darkness, 0x18.f35c.
But let's be completely honest for a second. What I just showed you, what we just looked at, this is barely the tip of the iceberg. To be perfectly candid, the quick example we just put together in 10 minutes is absolutely unworthy of what these AI platforms are truly capable of. It does not represent their actual creative level. When you aren't rushing through a quick tutorial workflow, when you actually spend time refining your style matrices in Claude, dialing in micro inflections in ElevenLabs, and deeply engineering your seed parameters, these free tools can generate Hollywood-grade cinematography. What we made today is just the baseline placeholder. The real ceiling is up to your imagination. The tools are no longer the gatekeeper. The excuse of "I can't afford the software" is officially dead. The only differentiator left between a video that gets ignored and a video that goes viral is your execution, your taste, and your willingness to experiment. Every single platform we covered today can be accessed right now from your browser without pulling out a credit card. Which of these 5 platforms are you going to integrate into your creative workflow first? Drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. If you want to stay ahead of the curve as these creative tools evolve, make sure you hit that subscribe button. The future of content creation is moving fast. Let's build it together. See you in the next one. Peace.